This is the Intellibeam unboxing for the Ubiquiti Networks mPower 3-port Wi-Fi Power Strip. Here we have the device itself, the mPower software, mounting plate, instruction manual quick start guide, mounting screws, here's the power strip itself. Features 3 independent switchable AC ports with per port power sensing, the reset button, circuit breaker reset, and a 2-foot power strip. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the mPower to M5 controller pairing video also on our channel. Intellibeam, technology of tomorrow, today.